All right, this is a 60 by 100 building, split right down the middle here. Upstairs is a loft area. It does have several bedrooms up there, 4 to be exact. Main level has eye joists going across. Trying to stay out of most of them with electrical. Utility room is here for plumbing, radiant floor boilers, and boiler controls will be on this wall. Electrical panels on this back wall. Again, all the rooms, the joists run front to back. Over here is the HVAC room. And I'm hoping I don't have to use the whole thing, but I think it's like 10 by 10, maybe a little bit bigger. And there's wide open joists there. Master bedroom is on this side. Joists go that way. It's a master bath, and then up front there is an office. So I think that's probably the hardest one to run from the main level as far as cold air returns go. But in this garage area, I don't know, I want to leave the design up to you. But I have seen some other barn doors that were built with, you know, the furnace in this room, main ductwork comes out on this back side, and then all the trunks go, you know, to the various rooms off of that with a straight shot in the joists. Line sets will come probably out the back wall here, across the door, and then out this side right here. There's a sidewalk in the back where they'll set. Do another walk through over here. So there's a big hallway here. There are joists going across there, so there's not a lot of usable in this area. Bathroom. Again, I tried to stay out of most of these cavities as well as I could. Gave a little bit of slack on my wires if we need to go above something. And then straight shots down here. Next room is laundry. I'll send the plans over as well. Laundry room. This is a big pantry. Kitchen area. Again, those joists go the entire distance, so there's places to tuck ductwork up. And then this is open. This is a great room, living room area, dining room. Up top there will be just a open hangout area. Would probably make, here's that office. 18-foot sidewalls. The roof deck will be spray foamed, so the attic will be conditioned. This level has another HVAC room, so another system up here would be fine. This is about 2,200 square foot up here and 3,000 downstairs. I guess I could measure this cutout and we would know what the conditioned square footage would be up here. This is another bedroom. There's a little hallway here with a kind of a big linen closet. Each end of the house up here has these long narrow rooms with a closet. There's a big closet over there. We got a bathroom. We'll have a tub shower combo. This is just an open area, probably some counters there where the TV will be. Another bathroom. Again, tub shower combo, vanity. And then back here is a large HVAC utility room. So I was hoping that the furnace could come kind of back here, and then that could be storage for toilet paper and maybe a little linen closet built in there. So the attic space is completely available up here. This will have, up in the attic, we'll have plywood on one of these trusses all the way across so that there's something to attach spray foam to. Garage will have blown-in insulation out there. There's no ductwork or anything needed in the garage. That has radiant tube, and we'll keep that warm enough and just be fans going in the summer for air conditioning. But again, this room can be used for HVAC. I think directly below a piece of it is that other HVAC room is straight down, so line sets could go down. My electrical's pretty easy to get to. I just need a design for the ductwork sizing, where to run, each cold air return and supply to for most efficiency. Up here, the attic is free reign. I have some truss drawings I can include so you can see sizes on that. But I mean, I can walk around up there, and I'm 6'4", so those got to be 8 foot plus in the big areas. Probably even more in the middle. And then down here is probably the more challenging one, but the utility rooms through there. So hitting these rooms would be probably fairly easy. You can drill through these eye joists. I'll include that attachment as well. And then I don't know about, you can come out here for a couple supplies out here, maybe a big return somewhere. But let me know if you need any other videos for design. Happy to take some measurements and give you everything that's needed. I do have radiant floor heat. Gonna have a couple Navian condensing boilers, one combination that will do the heating of the floor, and then a second one. This one has the loop for domestic hot water, and the second one will be just to kind of lighten the load on one, and then it'll be a backup if something were to ever happen to one or the other. So.